Hello, my name is Olmer Hernan Ruiz Ortiz, and I am a student of the course Inferential Statistics at UNAT. In this activity, we studied how a statistical tool such as sample size calculation, systematic sample, and confidence intervals can help analyze real-world problems. The context of the activity was urban mobility and quality of life lived in Colombia, which includes variables such as travel time, distances, transport costs, emissions, and user satisfaction. 1. How can inferential statistics help analyze real-world problems such as urban mobility in Colombia? Inferential statistics helps researchers understand complex problems by analyzing a sample of data of the entire population. This makes it possible to study large populations in a more efficient way. First, the sample size is calculated to ensure what the data collection is representative of the population. The samples techniques such as the system sample are used of selection of services in organized and organized way. After collection, the data confidential intervals are used to estimate population parameters and majority uncertain of the thought estimated, and these statistical methods help searchers analyze patterns related to transport use, travel times, congestion, and environmental impacts. In the context of urban mobility, this analysis helps understand how transportation systems affect people and their lives and their quality of life. Life. 2. With its use of interesting statistical science for your academic growth and for market informative that driven decision in your future professional field. Inferential statistics is essential for academic development because it teaches students how to analyze data, interpret results, and make conclusions based on evidence. These skills are important for understand complex social, economic, and technology problems in many professional fields. Statistical analysis is used to evaluation situations and support decision making. For example, in areas such as engineering, economics, and public policy, statistical methods help professionals design solutions to real-world problems. In the case of urban mobility, statistical analysis can help improve transportation systems, reduce congestion, and promote for more sustained cities. In conclusion, sample size calculation, system sampling, and confidence intervals are important statistics tools that help researchers analyze real-world problems and obtain real information from data. This method helps improvisers to understand urban, mobile, and support better decisions that can contribute to improving quality of life. Thank you very much.